Might be a little upset with myself if I don't come out with a 5-gallon bucket full of flat cans. Yeah, let's see if we get some flat cans here. Let's fill up the bucket. Almost full. I wasn't really picking them up. I guess that ain't bad. Barely pick them up and still get almost a 5-gallon bucket full. There you go. In a couple more days it'll be full. We'll be on a 3rd barrel. Be working on the 3rd barrel, and I'm running out of 55-gallon drums. Should have grabbed more out of that dumpster that day. Look what we got here. Surface fine. That's a piece of copper wire just sitting on the road. And this too. These 2 little pieces. This piece sitting on the road. And this little guy. What's up, little heater? Why are you so heavy? So, let's get her apart. Flathead jokers on this one. Still not sure why it's so heavy. Of course. There's nothing to this thing. Guess it was just heavy metal. It's just old school technology, I guess. Heavy metal. Was out earlier, found that AC unit. I went back out, found all this stuff. Oh, some gas powered leaf blowers. More window frames, light ballasts. Went back for more of these. These are stainless steel bars. Went back for those. Aluminum screen, and also we got cool. Found us more Romex. Yeah. So gonna keep filling that bucket until it's full, I guess, until little short copper sticks. Those guys I got all the lights from said to come back, so let's go back there. They come back in a few hours. It's been a couple hours, so we'll go check them out. But I'm breaking these down for a tote. Extrusions. Nice extruded piece of alloy. Aluminum. I'll cut these with a grinder. These things are thick and hard to bend. Got this bad boy right here. This is cool. This is actually really cool. Oh, it's already falling apart though. It's got some paint spray on it. Be some easy cleanup. Oh, it's missing something right here though. Oh well. I was thinking about maybe posting it for sale, cleaning it up, posting it for sale, but nice little lamp though. $20. Had a price tag on there for 20 bucks. I found it in the garbage. All's ready. Get those wires out though, of course. Figure out what that is, maybe. Where's that bucket at? Figure out later bucket. The figure out later bucket. Got this small box of stuff. Small bits and burnables. We'll burn that. And separate that. There's short little bits all stripped for the small 5-gallon bucket of the short copper sticks. Strip those and cut them down even smaller if they're too long. I mean, it'll help add that, build that bucket up. And I don't have to cut it down or hang it up to dry. This is my basket for number 1, insulated, with some trash in there. My basket for number 1, insulated. I got some trash in there too. Okay, cool. There's that. We got this. Got those wires off, and then I got this plate, which would be also extruded aluminum, but it's got so much stuff on it, I'm gonna throw it in the old sheet. That's easy. And look how water damage and all that, man. Rot, nasty. I mean, that stuff is coming out. All this Play-Doh or whatever, this glue. Well, this side, one of the sides was coming out pretty easy. Anyways, we'll throw it in the old sheet. The ballast. Why would I hate them? Because they are nasty. And sometimes a lot of yards don't even want them. And there's a bunch of nasty stuff inside that needs properly disposed of. And I feel a lot of yards don't do that. So up in here in Indy, I got to do some searching for some cast alloys for the return, and also these, because I have a stack of these going. All I'm going to do is, there's 2 slots. You got one that has a nut and bolt, and you got one that's just a slot where you get your screwdriver, get it in there, and you just pry that thing back, right? It's out that easy, man, just that quick. I wish I could have showed over a top view of that one, but just that quick. Now some of these ballasts are somewhat clean, but most of them have this black crazy tar. I mean, and that's the nasty stuff. That's the nastiness. And then there's just a bunch of, like, there's a plate of steel and a mid-grade board and a bunch of transformers on it. No big deal really, but alright, shred. Alright, enough playing, we gotta get inside. 10 minutes. Sit. Meow. That's a good pussy. Restarting. Hey everybody, Tin Can here at the Dumpster Jerry production. I just got to give a couple shout outs to some huge folk out there who really helped the channel out. You couldn't see me. Thank you for sharing the video and all your support, man. Jimmy number 1 HMS, dude, you totally like blew out my subs, man, right there, man. With that one little kind gesture you did, blew my subs up to be monetized. So right now I'm currently over 1,000 subs, and I got to thank every single sub out there, from all the hardcore geriatrics that's been with me since the beginning to the new subs. Lots of good stuff's going to start happening to the channel right now. A lot of my vids are over 2 months old, but this little section here is current date. Right now it is 12/6/2019, and I just got to give a hard shout out, man. Three long hard years of blood, sweat, and scrap, dude. And now now it's, you know, this is awesome. This is awesome, people. If you don't want to watch the ads, I don't blame you. Go ahead and skip them, man, you know. But just remember, that's going to start being some change in our pockets for the family, the McKee family. Tin Can, Twisty, and Mama McKee. So take care, y'all. Peace, love. So usually on Friday mornings I go out and hit the dumpsters in a few alleys. I went ahead and did it last night because I was going to be busy this morning. So look at this. Look at this mess I made. We'll start off with this. We got ourselves a washing machine, and it looks like it's starting to rain. We got us some painted aluminum. We got us some shred. We got 6 stainless steel sinks with the brass taps and some copper lines, stainless steel boys. It's crazy, right? We got all this junk. Look at this junk. We got more taps, brass pipes, old sheets, tin shreds, one auto cast wheel. Look at this bad boy. Ain't this cool? This was like, I'm guessing, a newspaper stand. It looks like it's missing a piece of wood for the handle. This might be an easy fix. I'm thinking about it. We got us some wires. We got us some more stainless steel. Holy cow, people. And then all this junk here. We got, of course, aluminum cans. We got mason jars. We got an old vacuum, box fans, microwaves. We got more plumbing in there. And then, of course, more cans. Some couple items I thought was pretty cool. You know, extruded aluminum. We got the Law and Order game. We got ourselves a PC. We got rolled up on one trash can, and it was full of cat lids and dishes, cat cans and lids. So I just snagged them all up. We'll throw that in the old sheet. I snagged it all. It was right there on top. Why not? Why wouldn't I do that? It wouldn't be right if I didn't do that. Oh yeah, we got this wheelchair too with this crazy wheelie bar. That's my kind of wheelchair with the wheelie bar. And some wheelie bars are like real close to the ground because they don't want to pop too much of a wheelie, right? Some wheelie bars are real close to the ground because they don't want to pop too much of a wheelie, but I'm all about the wheelie. So, you know, I'm like, I'm gonna, you know, so I'm gonna be like this. That's my wheelchair with the wheelie bar.